morning, y'all. I'm Jacob with Mr. Plumber. Welcome back. This is part 2 of our 3-part series talking about clogs around the house. Part 1 we looked at the clogged toilet, but if you want to follow me up the stairs into our wet lab, we're going to go take a look at a clogged tub. Alright guys, well here we are at our tub shower, and may look a little bit different than what you guys are used to seeing at home. This is once again our wet lab where we have our techs and cadets train and work on all sorts of different types of 3-handle or single handle and tub spouts, just to get an idea of what they might see out in the field. But as you can see here, we've simulated a clog down in the waist or shoe of the tub, and yeah, it's holding water. So one of the tricks I want to give you guys today is a really basic one. Don't need anything too fancy tool wise to get this fixed up here. What I would recommend for something like this would be some basic channel locks and then some needle nose pliers. So these are going to help you take care of where the clog may be. The first thing what you're going to want to do is spin your popper off, and this one actually I'm able to do by hand, but you can also, if it's a little bit tighter or tougher, especially with age, take it and go lefty-loosey. And once you get it off, it should be able to come off, and looks like I can see our clog there. So just to simulate, we use some shop towels, but you'll probably end up seeing a bunch of hair and whatnot. And all you got to do is take your needle nose pliers and you can take it out, and there we go. We'll clean up the rest of it too to get better flow. And it drains like it should be. Now with reinstalling this guy, don't worry, it's going to keep on spinning lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. All you need to do is match up your threads here with the center. So you'll put it in, and once again, just keep going righty-tighty, even though it's going to go up or down, and eventually it will lock in place, and then you'll see you'll be able to lift it up like normal or have it sit down. And above all else, if you guys are still backed up or clogged after that, just go ahead and give Mr. Plumber a call. We'll come out with the right material and tools to get the job done. But I hope maybe that gave you guys a little bit of information today, and join us next on part 3 as we look at a clogged lavatory sink. Appreciate you.